Please come. Daddy wants to see you. Come. Come, let's go.
Go and change the water.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, sir.
Boyfriend, our son is here. Daddy. He can hear you. He can hear you.
Oh God, my son.
Yes, Daddy.
Listen carefully to what I want to tell you now.
Yes, Daddy.
Always take very good care of your mother.
Yes, Daddy.
Always make her happy.
Yes, Daddy.
I too will be happy where I am going.
Yes, Daddy.
This is the important thing I want to say.
Yes, Daddy.
I have left everything I have for your mother and yourself. You are little now, but someday you will grow into a man. Then you will understand where I am going. I bless you, my son.
Yes, Daddy.
It shall be well with you.
Ugo, Daddy's sickness is getting worse and he needs to rest.
Okay. Mommy, is Daddy going to die?
Oh no, Daddy won't die. He just needs to rest. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go to the garden and play.
No, I want to stay with my daddy.
Ugo, go and play with Auntie Maria, huh? Daddy needs to sleep.
Daddy. No, I want to stay with my daddy.
it. Eh? Ogbefe. Ogbefe. Ogbefe.
About things not happening and you're going to laugh. Oh god. Oh, you hold this two for me first. All right. to the love and friendship that we share, and to the closeness that exists between us.
And to us, and the love that we have. Cheers.
Oh, wait, wait, wait.
Oh, okay. Sweetie. Oh, good. Sweetie, do you remember to buy the Elizabeth Taylor for your mom?
Oh, I forgot. Oh my God. My mom is gonna kill me if I don't get this thing for her.
She'll be heartbroken if I forget to remind you of the little things she wants you to do for her. Knowing how she loves and accepts me in your life.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Okay.
Ernest,
Yes, sir.
take me to any big supermarket around.
Alright, sir. Do you have any particular supermarket in mind, sir?
Listen, I don't care. Just take me to any big supermarket around.
Okay, sir.
Which particular one? What's my business with that?
Done?
Yeah, done.
Oh, that's good. Sweetheart, I love the way you take good care of your mom. It shows you will take care of me too when we get married.
It will be a pleasure to take care of you forever.
Oh, look at you.
Sorry.
I know you better stop. Okay, I think this is good. Ernest, just back around here. Just stop by this one here. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, baby, let's go.
Alright.
Alright, let me have that.
Okay.
Ernest, I want you to get a suitcase from the car. Oh, I'm so glad to see you. Hello, mommy. Oh, my sweet mommy. Mommy, don't you look good?
Thank you. My sunshine.
Yes, mommy.
How are you two lovebirds? Perfect, mommy. Everything is just fine.
Especially now that the wedding is just in 3 months' time.
Ugo, I hope you've not gotten her pregnant yet. Ugo.
Mommy, I don't know. Ask her.
Frida.
Mom. Ask her, Mom.
Well, I see you two lovebirds have been spending the better part of your spare time in bed.
It's not me, Mom. It's Ugo who loves the bed more than food.
Come on, you asked and I delivered. Come on.
It's all right, it's all right. We'll soon know who is lying here. By the way, Ugo, did you remember to buy my white diamond Elizabeth Taylor?
How could I forget, Mommy? It's in my suitcase. I'm sure the driver must have taken it upstairs.
Oh, then let Celestine get it.
Oh, yeah. Celestine? Celestine! Where is he?
Celestine! Celestine!
Yes. Is that how he answers when you call? Yes.
Oh, yes. That's what's been going on. In fact, just before you came, he was so rude to me simply because I asked him what happened to the diesel he bought yesterday. Since there's been no power outage.
And what did he say?
Oh, he said I'll have to start getting the diesel myself since I no longer trust him.
He said what?
Oh, yes, he did.
What is that? Celestine! Celestine!
Just calm down. He'll come when he pleases.
No, Mommy, this is rubbish. He better know who's boss in this house. Damn! Celestine!
He'll be fine. He needs to get it out of his system. Besides, that boy needs to be corrected. Otherwise, he'll just get out of hand. Like he has just started.
I am Celestine's friend, sir.
Friend or girlfriend?
Sir?
You heard me. I said friend or girlfriend.
He said he will marry me, sir.
Where is he? Celestine! Celestine!
Welcome, sir. Okay.
Who is this?
Sir, she's my sister. She just came from the village to see me. My mother sent her to deliver a message from her.
Oh, I see. Moron! How many times have I warned you never to bring these things into this house again? Celestine! Just look at you. At almost 43 years of age, no wife, no child. All you do is go about town picking these things, promising to marry them. How many of them have you promised to marry this year? Hmm? Well, that's your own business. So long as you don't bring them into this house. Now, the thing I will not take is you being disrespectful to my mother. Nobody plays with my mother and goes scot-free. Follow me.
Sir?
I said, follow me! And you, what are you doing here? Go, get out of here! Go on your knees and apologize to my mother. If I repeat myself, it only means you're leaving this house now.
Oga, you slapped me in front of my woman. Is that not enough?
Do as he says. Don't you want to keep your job?
What's your business in this matter?
Celestine, that's my wife you've just spoken to like that. That's my wife to be.
You see? It only goes to show that he has no respect for anyone any longer. Just look at that. Look at that.
Okay? Now I want you to pack your things and get out of this house now. This is your salary for 1 month. Celestine, you're fired. I said get out. Get out in 30 minutes. Ain't you like this?
I agree with you. He really has to go. It's clear he no longer wants to work here.
I believe so too. But now I'll need another cook. You know?
Mom, don't worry about that. I'll arrange for a cook within 1 week. Meanwhile, Frida will help you out with the kitchen. Frida, please bring my things upstairs. Go. Go. Freda, do you know why I asked you to come live with us here instead of the campus? It's because of my mother. I told you when I was 6 years of age, my father died. But what I did not tell you is, he made me promise I was going to do something for him. I mean, there he was, lying on a sick bed, terminally ill of cancer. My father asked me to take care of my mother. I mean, I was just a little boy. And I agreed. I accepted. I didn't know what task laid ahead of me. That's why I'm always very protective of my mother. Freda, if you take care of my mother, you'll win a very, very big place in my heart.
Your mother must mean a whole lot to you.
Oh, she means more than a whole lot to me. She means the world to me. You're jealous?
Nope.
You're not?
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, many ladies in your shoe would definitely be jealous. Not after what I just said.
I'm not jealous. I know your mother means the world to you, but we mean the world to each other.
Mm-hmm. Damn. Come here.
No. Say, please, come here.
Me? Mm-hmm. Are you listening, girl? I say, come here.
Come on, catch me.
Come here. Ah! Come here. Now, when I tell you come here, I mean come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Here.
Listen to me. I said come here. Come here.
Come here. Now, when I say come here, I mean come here.
All right.
Are you gonna come?
Yeah.
Here?
Sure.
So say come here.
He said he will marry me. That we will live together in the big house. Since then, I've been visiting him and doing everything with him.
That I don't want to hear. Doing what and what with him? You better tell me so that I will know how to follow this matter.
Is he not here? Ask him, brother. Ask him. Is there any time I come to your house that I do not lay with you on your bed? Ask him. Now he said that he's no longer working. That I am the cause. Now he's no longer going to marry me again. You must marry me. You must. You cannot just leave me. Not after all the time I lay with you on your bed without my clothes.
Sele, over to you. You hear what she said.
I lost my job as a cook in the house of Ogobwefi. And he paid me off with 8,000 naira, my 1 month salary in advance.
For what? Whereas he's supposed to pay you 3 to 6 months salary advance.
Exactly. He's supposed to pay me at least 6 months salary.
And you allowed him. Now you are the Mugu and he's the master. Think.
Out of the 8,000 naira, I gave Ngozi 2,000 naira. I told her to go and look for a husband, that I don't have a job, that I cannot marry her. She collected the 2,000 naira and put it in her bag, only to start crying and insisting that I must marry her. Is that fair? What is she trying to tell me? Is it that I'm not old enough or that I don't want to marry? It's money I don't have. And I explained everything to her, didn't I?
Sele, Ngozi is my younger sister, and you know it. And she loves you with all her heart. That is even the reason why I allowed her to friend you in the first place. I have never done it before. And also because we've been friends for years after doing company work together as Pekome. Sele, it will be very bad now if you refuse to marry Ngozi just because they refuse to pay you your entitlement. I suggest you go back to those people that sacked you and insist that they should pay you your 6 months salary advance. Or do you expect this poor girl to be crying for you all the time? Sele, are you not man enough to ask for your entitlement? Are you not a man? Are you not man enough?
Who said I'm not man enough? I am man enough. Or did I tell you I will leave my money for them? I'll go there and collect all my entitlement. Ugobo if you must pay me all my entitlement. You see what I'll do.
Tomorrow, I, Eto, will follow you to that house and make sure you collect your entitlement.
Eto.
Sele.
Eto.
Celestine.
Tell Ngozi to wipe her tears. I will marry her. I will marry her. See, tomorrow, you will follow me. We'll go to Ubuefi's house. I'm going to collect my money, all my 6 months salary in advance. I'll use it to pay her bride price.
Go bye. Nenemo, or you wipe your tears. Don't cry again, okay? Yes, you've heard what your husband said.
I'm going
tomorrow, I will follow him to that house and we will bring good news.
I'll use it to pay her bride price. Eh? You know I love you. I love you. And I love you. I love you. I love you. Don't cry.
Yeah. Will you take this?
Just carve out a bit and, put it in that plate. I'll have it later.
Okay, ma.
Probably put it in the fridge, refrigerator.
Oh.
I'll get the maid to use it to use some bits to prepare coconut rice.
Yeah, coconut rice, yeah.
Oga Celestine.
Oga de?
No, but Mama de.
Mama de?
De.
Make her say Mama.
Is that not Celestine?
Ah, yeah, that's him.
What's he doing here?
I don't know.
Hey! Come here! What's he doing here? I wonder who that is with him.
I don't know.
Yes, what do you want?
I want my money.
What money?
Since to sack me without notice, no problem. I want my 6 months salary in advance, or I'll pick something worth 60,000 naira from this house.
You dare not. You dare not. Don't even think about it. Now, pick your silly self and get out of here.
Huh? I said I want my money.
Please, leave this house now. I'll call the police.
Hey, madam, drop that phone. Drop the phone.
I will not. And if you know what is good for you, you better run away now like a coward that you are. That's why you came when Ugo is not around. Huh? I said leave this house now or you regret ever coming here to harass the women.
You don't have any business in this matter.
Oh, really? Okay. Hello? Yeah, is this DPO in charge of Fabula Police Station? Yeah, I'm calling from Ugo's Ebofis compound. Please, there's a situation here. Hello?
You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? Drop the phone.
No! What did you do? Come back here! Come back! Frida! Where's the phone? Where's the phone?
Hello?
Mommy?
Oh God, Freda's just been stabbed.
What?
Yeah, she's really bleeding. She's bleeding to death.
Okay, mommy, calm down. Okay, take her to the hospital. Yes. You know, I'll meet you there. Yes. All right. Ernest.
Sir.
Ernest, to the house.
No, go to the hospital, the family hospital.
Okay, sir.
Quickly.
All right, sir.
What happened? Where is Frida?
Sit down, Ugo. God is in control. My daughter is under God's protection. Your mother phoned to tell us that Frida was stabbed in the stomach by your former steward who came in to molest them when you were out on business. We rushed to the house. By the time we got there, they had left for the hospital. We arrived here as they were wheeling Frida into the theater for surgery. She was unconscious.
Oh God, they want to kill my daughter. They want to kill Frida. It's a plot. But what did my daughter do that they want her dead? Imagine stabbing a little girl like her, deep in the stomach. Oh, they don't want her to survive. They don't want her. They want her dead.
It's okay.
Don't worry, she'll be fine. She'll be fine. Mom, who's the doctor in charge?
Dr. Benedict. He's right there.
Okay. Please pull yourself together. I'll be right back, Mommy.
Please, just calm down, please.
We are through with the surgery. She's now resting in the intensive care unit. You see, the knife went deep and infected some vital organs in her stomach. Though very slightly, that was why we performed the surgery on her immediately. We expect that she heals anyway, though it's just a matter of time.
Doctor, how bad is her condition? Is she in any kind of danger? Please, tell me everything.
Well, her liver was slightly cut by the knife and she lost a lot of blood. Though that has been sutured and taken care of. Meanwhile, she is still in coma. But I expect that when she comes out of coma, we will assess her and then know the necessary steps to take. But to go, I would suggest that we fly her abroad for more medical treatment.
Abroad?
Yes.
That means this...
Doctor, please come. We are losing the patient in intensive care unit. She's dying.
Doctor, come now.
say go talk to?
Dr. Jacob. What is that, Mama? Keep this for me. Boss is not my master. She's coming back. She's coming back. Oh, wait. Yeah, she's coming back. No, wait. She's arrived. She's arrived. He's revived. Thank God.
Oh God. Frida. I love you. Baby, I love you too. I really love you. Yes, babe.
Excuse me. Wait. It's okay. Oh no! Good. It's okay. We did our best. Come on. It's okay. Please. It's okay, girl. Come on. You did the best thing. Let's go to my office. Oh my God. Let's go to my office. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on.
knife, go there. We don't use knife, go there. Officer, we don't use knife, go there.
Shut up.
Officer,
come on, shut up.
Push me now. Okay, wait, make I tell you the truth, officer. Officer, we did not go there with knife. When we got to that place, Sele lost his temper and used a knife on the young lady. It was Sele. It's not me, Eto. It's not me. And I also hope that you've arrested Sele. This one you're arresting me now because if I get to the station, I do not see Sele, I'll be angry. I'll be mad at you.
Shut up! You'll be angry with who?
Sorry, sir.
When we get to the station, you write whatever you want to write in your statement. You are
Yes,
free.
Yes,
okay, move.
That did not use knife.
Move, my friend.
Officer, Sele, keep the bike here.
I don't have any idea.
Okay, sir. Okay, Inspector, look at you. Inspector, Sele, look at you.
My son. I am a Christian. My wife and I and Andrew, our first son, have learned to accept the death of our beloved Frida, who was engaged to you, as an act of God. Still, it gives us a feeling of justice that those responsible for her death have all been arrested and are now facing the full weight of the law. I sent for you because I heard that you have not been eating, that you have never been to the office since her death, and that you cry most nights alone in your room. You too must accept the supremacy of God's inevitable will. You must learn to be strong and always pray for her. Frida, had she been alive today, would never have left you or disappointed you. She agreed to pack out of the campus to live with your mother just to make you happy. And she met her death in the process. That shows how much she loved you. So my son, take heart. You are loved.
I love Frida too. I don't care how much it takes me. 50 years or forever to mourn her. I will still mourn her. Nothing else matters to me. Not even my late father's business.
No, don't say that, my son. You cannot remain engaged to a girl God has taken away from us to a place of rest. You have to pick up your life again. Please, my son, stop punishing yourself. It is affecting your mother and those of us who love you.
Did my mother ask you to tell me this?
No.
Ugo, wherever Freda is now, she wants you to be happy. You will not die mourning her. My daughter is dead. We must learn to accept it and live by it.
I like when you're happy like this. I wish you can smile like this all through your life.
You like it?
Yeah.
How about like this? Do you like it? Like this now? Come on. Come on.
I like it. Yes, I like it. I like it. I wish you can smile like this all the time.
You do?
Yeah.
I want to be happy all through my life. But then, you know, sad things could happen, you know, that'll make one feel terrible and stuff.
Don't ever be sad. Whatever makes you happy, do it. Even if it hurts me, do it, okay? Life is too short, so you don't have to spend it being sad.
That's deep. But that's really deep. Come on, baby, you're a philosopher now, or what? Okay. But you know, death could actually make one feel sad. It's a very terrible time, you know.
Enough. Let's just stop talking about these death issues. Okay. Huh? Let's talk about another thing, alright?
Okay. I'm closing my eyes now.
Okay, close.
Before I open them, I want to see you out of here. Get out of here! Get out! Get out!
Ogonna, tears will never be enough to bring back our loved ones. Were it so, my tears would have brought back your father when he died.
The light you shined into my life will never be forgotten. You were like a flower.
shining bright in the skies. Shining in the morning, in the afternoon, and gone in the evening. Frida, they say I should forget you. They say I should go on with life. But this, I cannot promise that. But I'll try. I'll try. Oh God, I miss you. This is the flower you gave me the day I proposed to you. We're no longer the same. You were dead and immortal. I'm alive and I'm mortal. Your memory will always be in my heart, in my soul, and in my mind. I'll put all my effort into my work, and I'll try to forget you. Goodbye, Frida. Nah, I don't have time for such frivolities. Who's the girl anyway?
The bitch who comes here every Friday night on her own, sits alone, buys her own drink, dances alone, and goes home in the morning with any man that pays the highest.
Hey, stop that. How dare you say that? She lives every morning, so how do you know who she lives with?
Guy, you dance. I know what I'm saying. You know if I've taken her home before?
Oh, come on, FaceTime. She just refused dancing with you. You're here now saying you've gone home with her. Come on!
Listen, niggas. That girl is simply mysterious. But dudes like us knows how to decode her, you know. If I boy.
Wait, you mean you've taken her home yourself? Damn. That's the hype, man. Guys, gotta go home. Kinda late. Take care, boys.
You're not going anywhere, guy. It's just beginning of the night. Have fun.
Nah. I have a very busy day tomorrow. I gotta go.
Who go? Are you really sure you want to go with all this fun around?
I'm leaving now. Take care. See you.
Russ,
hey, take care, man.
Grab with care.
Take care, bro. Yeah. All right, my guy. Take care, man.
Who go?
See you tomorrow.
Take it easy, boy.
I've heard so much about you. I've seen you in the magazines. I've had so...
Who are you?
Can I sit down?
I just asked you a question. I said, who are you?
My name is Blessing. I'm a final year law student of University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I was sent by your mother, and she said you should call her as soon as I get here.
My mom? You know my mom?
Yes, I do. She shops in my mother's supermarket.
1 minute.
Hi there.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, darling. Did you see the girl I sent to your office?
Yes, mommy. She said I should call you when she gets here.
Actually, wanting is forgetting that we no longer have vacancies in the company for now.
Oh. Listen, her name is Blessing.
She's a very good girl. She actually happens to be the third daughter of Mrs. Eunice Okereke.
The proprietress of Uni Stores, where I do most of my shopping. Do you get what I mean?
Not really, Mom. I fail to see how this is any business of mine.
Listen, I want you to get to know her. Talk to her. I mean, invite her out for lunch.
I'm sure you definitely want to take such a pretty girl as a wife.
Mommy, excuse me?
Uganda, do not argue with your mother. Do as I say.
Listen, you're old enough to get married. I will turn 58 soon. I hunger for a daughter-in-law.
And grandchildren.
Mom.
That is just it.
Hello, Mommy? She hangs up.
Is there a problem?
Why exactly did my mom send you to me?
Sent me. She said you saw my photograph and you liked it and you wanted to see me.
You know what? My mother is trying to matchmake us. What in heaven's name is so funny?
But there's nothing wrong there. If she's trying to matchmake us, I think it's cool. You know, I'm a little bit old-fashioned myself. And thank God you're a very handsome and young-looking guy. And myself too, I'm very beautiful.
What about the heart? What about getting to know each other? What about love?
So, they'll come with time. The fact is, I think I've seen you and I like what I see.
Now, what's your name again?
Blessing.
Blessing. I want you to go and tell my mother that I said no. I don't have time for girls, pretty or ugly, young or old, intelligent or fools. Alright? Now I'm a very, very busy person. Do excuse me. No. Listen, that's pretty expensive stuff over there, okay? Excuse me. Young lady, I said, excuse me. Have a nice day.
Okay. Have a nice day too.
Ugo, you have insulted me today. You've treated me with such disregard.
Mom, I have done nothing wrong. You sent a girl you want me to date to my office. I don't have time for girls. I told her so. Now, how have I wronged you?
What do you mean by you don't have time for girls? At your age, you're supposed to be thinking of getting married.
Mommy, I know exactly when it's time for me to start thinking of getting married. You don't know me more than I know myself.
Oh, there you go again. There you go again. You have just insulted me again. I don't know you. I do not know my son. Ugonna, I gave birth to you. I carried you in my womb for 9 months.
Mom, don't push me. Stop. It will get us nowhere. Frida's memory still lives in me, Mom. Lives in my head. I am not psychologically ready for any girl.
Oh, now it's Frida. I thought you said the stress and the pressure of running your late father's company was stopping you from having a relationship like every normal man at your age.
Well, go ahead, Mom. Go ahead, Mom. Say it.
I am abnormal! If you like that blessing of a girl or whatever her name is so much, why don't you just go ahead and marry her?
Always take very good care of your mother.
Yes, Daddy.
Always make her happy.
Yes, Daddy.
I too will be happy where I am going.
Yes, Daddy.
I want you to get married for your own good and mine. I will turn 58 next month, and I shall be celebrating it. The only birthday gift I want from you is for you to introduce your future wife to me. That's all I want, nothing else. If I die unhappy, my blood will be on your head. Even if you don't like this blessing of a girl, there's so many good girls from good homes out there. You can introduce one of them to me as your wife. Ugonna, please. Please, I beg of you. Otherwise, expect my death. Ugonna.
How are you? Good evening. There's this fair lady that comes to your club. She's has brown hair, has a black beauty mark just near her nose.
That should be Philippa.
Yeah.
She's pretty, sir.
Yes, few weeks ago she was molested by one man that was drunk.
That's Philippa. It's Philippa.
Good. How can I find her?
I don't know, sir. I don't know. She only comes here on Fridays to club and go the next morning.
None of your colleagues would know her?
No, not at all. Nobody knows where she stays.
So I can't find her till I come here on Fridays?
You can come on Saturday morning. When the club is over, around 7 o'clock in the morning, when she's about to go home, you can as well see her that time.
Okay. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Little piece of information. Good. You can have this.
Thank you so much, sir.
No, it's okay.
I'm very grateful.
What's her name again?
Her name is Philippa.
Philippa.
That's a very strange name.
All right, thank you.
Don't fail to come. Oh.
No, I'll come. By the way, my name is Ugo. What's your name?
Okay, I'm Ken, sir.
Ken. Thanks, man.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Philippa! Philippa! Philippa, hi.
How did you know my name?
That doesn't matter right now, okay? I need to talk to you, please.
I don't think I have that kind of time now. I really do have to get home.
Please, Philippa, please, listen to me, please, okay?
What do you want to talk to me? Who are you?
I have an offer to make to you.
Which is?
My name is Ugo Ogbuefi. Pretend to fall in love with me. And I will introduce you to my mother on her birthday.
And?
I will pay you 200,000 naira.
Oh, God. What do you intend to achieve?
See, my mother wants me to marry.
Uh-huh.
And you know what? Can we talk about this in the car?
You are very creative. Are you hitting on me? Excuse me.
Listen, please. I am not trying to hit on you, okay? I am really serious here.
For real?
For real. So please, can you just calm down? And let's go to the car and talk about this, please?
But, I don't know who you are.
We'll talk about that in the car. Listen, I'm a totally harmless person. Alright? Please? Thank you. Morning.
Morning.
Mom, I met this girl some 2-3 months ago. Her name is Philippa. Well, 2 weeks after we met, she returned to the UK because that's where she's based.
I see.
So yesterday I gave her a call and we spoke at length. I informed her of your birthday and I invited her over to Nigeria.
I see.
So, Mommy, she will be here a day before your birthday or on your birthday. That depends on when she's able to confirm the ticket, you know.
She's just Philippa?
Yeah, Philippa Johnson. Philippa Johnson.
All right. Well, when you speak with this Philippa next time, do let her know that she's most welcome in our home. And that we'll be glad if she can spend the time with us here in the house rather than stay in a hotel.
Well, I'm not too sure about that. But I'll try to convince her to see if she'll stay here.
You try and do that.
I will, Mom. Okay.
Are you having some of this?
Oh, sure.
Why don't you sit down to get you some?
Don't worry, Mommy.
Okay.
always love you, always love you. Come away, my love, and let's swim to the ocean. Let's swim to the ocean floor. I see the love, I see everything and much more. Everything and much more. I promise you, I'll do you the way you do you. Make me cherish you, so complete. Oh,
Welcome, sir.
Hey, how are you, Musa?
Welcome, madam.
Thank you.
Okay, how are you?
So, make sure you fix it. My parents love
Yes.
my father used to like sweets. And my mother, you know. Wow. Took off the fat. Come on, go on. See. You know, my place of abode. Gosh. Thank you. Come. Sure. Just give me a sec, okay? I will call my mom.
Right.
Don't forget all I told you.
I wouldn't.
Step up a little bit. English, sweet.
Sure.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Good afternoon, my dear. She's so beautiful. You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you so much.
Please do sit down, sit down, sit down.
And by the way, happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you, my dear. Thank you. So nice of you to have been able to make it. Yeah. How was your flight?
Oh, just beautiful. So smooth.
Oh, that's nice. Ogo tells me you reside in the UK. London. Where exactly do you live in London?
I am
Mommy, allow me introduce Philippa formally to you. Philippa, she's my friend and she'll be staying with us for 3 weeks.
Oh, 3 weeks. That's nice. That's nice. You're most welcome, my dear.
Thank you so much.
And Philippa, here is my mother. My dearly beloved mother. At 58, still looking very young.
I can see that.
Lady Jemima Ogwefi.
Oh, it's most pleasurable to meet you, Mom. Ah, by the way, I got you a present.
Really?
Yes, sure.
Oh.
Happy birthday one more time.
Oh, thank you very
happy
much.
return.
Oh, thank you very much. This must have cost you a lot.
That's okay.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. And to think that you bought this especially for me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You see why it's so nice to have daughters-in-law, you know, for a woman who has no female child. I mean, the girls know what to do, what to buy to please the mother.
You're right,
Ah, thank you. Well, you take her to her room, let her freshen up and settle in properly. Then you'll come downstairs and have something to eat. I've told Maureen, the cook, to prepare something really delicious. I hope you will like it.
All right, Mom.
And just a reminder again, today's my birthday, 58th to be exact. And so we'll be having a birthday dinner at La Classe Restaurant. So get enough rest and I'll see you later.
Sure.
Okay, Mommy.
So excuse me now. And my dear, thank you once again for this. And do feel at home.
I will.
See you later, darling.
Bye, Mommy.
Yes, it worked. It worked.
So far, so good.
Thank you for coming to my rescue. I wasn't prepared for that question.
Which one?
The one where she said where I resided in England. I would have messed up because I had no ready answer. That was not part of a rehearsal.
That one. You know what? When next she asks again, just say St. John's Wood. St. John's Wood.
John's Wood. Wood. Fine.
Good?
Yeah, sure. I won't forget.
Fine.
Besides, are we going to be sharing a room? Because I don't think that is going to be.
Don't worry. You see, my bed is very large. Don't worry. Our bodies won't even touch, okay?
I hope not.
I'm telling you. Come on, let's go. Oh, so far. Thank you. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes.
This arrangement of us sharing one room, I don't think I'm comfortable with it. I mean, do I have to rush into the restroom each time I have to change my clothes? What if you snore at night? Can I stand it? I mean, must you know how many times I use the toilet in a day? Oh God, for two people, a man and a woman, to share one room for 3 whole weeks. There really have to be something going on. I really do not understand this.
Okay. You know what? We're going to have to learn to tolerate each other. It's as simple as that. Come on. I'm hardly in this place because I go to work. So you have the whole room to yourself. And hey, if it's money you want, more money, tell me, I'll pay.
Is this what this is all about? You think I'm doing this because of money?
What else? You don't love me, and I definitely don't love you. I've paid you 200,000 naira already, and I'm willing to pay more. Okay? Oh yes, my family is rich and comfortable. So why don't you take my advice, my dear lady? The best you can do for yourself right now is enjoy while it lasts.
Well, for your information, Mr. Rich and Comfortable Man, maybe it will interest you to know that I'm doing this just to distract myself.
I'm sorry.
Mommy.
Good evening, Ma.
Good evening. Well, I see you two lovebirds are engrossing each other. Philippa, no. There's no need to be shy. Listen, it's good to see you do that with the man you're about to get married to. Well, I just came by to inform you that it's about time you got dressed for my birthday dinner.
Oh, is it time already, Mom?
You see? When you're with your loved one, It's hard for you to realize how fast time flies. Well, I'll be off to my room to shower and get dressed. And you two just take some more time, catch some more kisses, and get dressed. But don't be late.
All right. See you later.
All right, yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Is this how I'm going to live my life for the next 3 weeks? On edge? Goodness. Kissing a man I don't even know how much more love?
Stop complaining. This is business. Ordinarily, what would I be doing with a girl like you?
If you insult me one more time, I'm going to return your money and walk out.
You won't dare.
I won't!
You will not.
Anyway, I am not going for that birthday party.
Like hell you will.
I will not.
Yes, you will.
Fine. What if somebody who has seen me dancing at the club recognizes me while your mother is there? What would you do? I bet you never thought about that, did you? Anyway, make an excuse for me. Tell I've got a bad headache or something, you know. I just have to rest after such a long flight. I'll be here, okay? Look, you have to stop kissing me. Even in front of your mother. I mean it. It's not funny anymore.
You really think I enjoy kissing you? In my entire life, there is only one girl I enjoy kissing. And believe me, that girl is not you.
Go and find her then and give her a kiss. Give my poor lip a break in front of your mother.
She's dead.
Who's dead?
The girl I love kissing. The girl I love. Now you know. So please, let's try not to quarrel this night. Please.
It's a pity.
What's a pity?
I mean, the girl. The one who died. Did you love her very much?
She was the sun in my sky. She was my life.
Good night.
Good night.
you prepared some food again today.
Yeah, I mean, I had some more to try and relax. Let me just take over there.
Okay. That's so nice of you. Yeah. Oh.
Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Hi, mommy.
Hello, darling.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How's work?
Pretty hectic.
Oh, my dear. Do you know that Philippa prepared another meal, tasty one for that matter, for us again today?
Mom? Oh, wait a minute. Were you the one who washed my clothes?
Yes, I did.
Why didn't you put it in the washing machine? It's right in the laundry room.
Mom, I was bored. You were sleeping. I don't see anything wrong with what I did. I just washed the clothes. That's all. I mean, come on.
My late husband will never allow me wash his clothes. He would always take his clothes to the dry cleaners, you know, and he would say like he didn't bring me to his house to be a slave, so he will never let me touch them.
Philippa washed my clothes.
Oh, God, what is wrong with you?
And you know what she's been doing again? She's been cleaning the whole house today, all by herself. All by herself.
Okay, that's good.
I was bored.
How did it come to be like this?
How am I, Mom?
I mean, so sweet and amazingly likable.
I mean, I just try to get myself useful, you know. I mean, I don't see it as work.
I mean, that's work. It's some hard work, you know. Real hard work. I better call Maureen to serve the food.
No, let her do it. Sure.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Be back soon.
Alright, dearie.
She's so sweet.
Yes, she is, isn't she?
Oh my God, I can't believe. I mean, she is wonderful. I think you're just going to be lucky to have her as a wife.
Yeah. Oh God, I'm so tired.
Oh, sorry, dear. You've had a long day.
Very long day. You cannot imagine.
Oh, look at my baby. Sorry. Her food will make you strong now.
I hope.
Boost your energy.
Better.
Ready to go now?
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, I'll see you in the evening.
Okay then.
Can I get you something? I mean, anything. If for nothing, at least to say thank you for making my mother happy. You know, she's been very lively and she's not been bugging my life anymore about marriage.
No thanks.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, if you say so. See you in the evening then.
Bye.
Cigarettes or tobacco. It looks like it is. Well, we're going to look at the source for a wedding planner, and there is a lovely shop on Sloane Street in London that they will make your shoes specially ordered from deep sea shells.
Mommy.
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you, sweetheart.
I have to taste it first, girl.
Thank you.
So why didn't you take a bit from mine?
Oh, Mommy, you know.
All right, I understand. And cheers. That's to you, both of you. Cheers. Lovely wedding and lovely married life.
Thank you, Mommy.
So, where do you intend to have your wedding?
Over to you, Philippa.
In London, of course. Where else?
London?
Yeah.
Oh, I would have thought of somewhere like Asia.
Asia?
Yes.
Southeast Asia?
Yeah, Asia. You know, they actually do have some exotic resorts there. I mean, like that other...
Buraka Islands.
Yes, Boracay.
Where's that place? Ugo, I hope you're not trying to run away from saying I do. Because I don't know where this Buraka is.
Not to worry. The pictures I saw when he came back, they are lovely. They're just
Lovely
they're
pictures.
wonderful. But if I may suggest, you could do something a bit old-fashioned, you know, unusual, like have the wedding in the village. You know, a country wedding with a country reception in the country with country people. And you could actually have your friends from the UK and Europe to come and have a taste of the country.
Yeah. And you know what, Mom?
Yeah?
We could have a after-wedding party filled with red cap chiefs and native doctors with chickens and goats coming.
Don't be
in
silly.
the
That
week.
is the extreme.
No, it's not that bad. It doesn't have to be that way. It doesn't have to be that way. What you have is more or less of a cultural blessing for your marriage.
That's it.
And come to think of it, how many young couples have the opportunity to have such?
And Mom, you know what? That's true, you know. It will even save us cost. We won't have to print invitation cards, you know. We'll just have some town crier to invite all the villagers. And then we won't have to spend money on wine and drinks and champagne. All we need to do is just hire some fool to make Wokomboti,
Sakarin,
or Zobo, or Brukutu, or something, you know.
We're talking about something
Oh, Mommy,
serious.
please.
Oh, wait.
We're talking about something serious here. A wedding, you know? Philippa, my darling, I think we'll stick to your own venue. And so we'll have it in the UK, where you can have your friends attend.
Attend.
Yeah.
Philippa,
Yes, please, love.
Buraka is still the best. Sweetie, don't you want me to say I do naked to you?
Naked?
Yes, look at your boobies and see the baby. I love it. Don't
Oh,
you like this?
go away.
You
want to
want
add something
This is
else.
very important parts to say, baby. I love you. Come on.
Yes, come in.
Hello, Mom.
Oh, Philippa.
Mom.
How are you, darling?
I'm fine.
Come.
What are you doing?
Oh, sit down, darling. I was just trying to match this to see which will go. I will be attending a function organized by the company proprietors tomorrow.
Oh.
And I forgot to mention it to you that I would like you to accompany me. You're not saying anything.
I actually came to remind you that my flight is for tomorrow evening. Have you forgotten I'm going to travel tomorrow?
Goodness. It's 3 weeks already.
Yeah, so fast.
Aww, how I wish you could stay with us some more.
I'll come back soon.
I know.
Soon.
But I've really grown to like you a lot. And I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too, Mom.
Can't believe this. Well, whatever. I think I'll just use this. I'll use this with it.
Yeah,
yes,
it goes.
It goes, yeah. Well, so have you had something to eat?
Not yet. Why are you staring at me?
Nothing. Should I shut my eyes?
Anyway, the holiday is over. Tomorrow I leave.
Yeah, sure, of course.
So how do you intend to continue? I mean, very soon your mother will soon start pestering you to invite me over to Nigeria. What are you going to tell her?
Well, I'll tell her that you've gone to study and you'll be back for another 2 or 3 years. And that you couldn't be distracted by marriage at the expense of your studies.
Wow, that is smart.
Of course.
So that means you wouldn't have to disturb you for some time now.
Yeah, but before then, I'll think of some strategy, brilliant strategy to use.
But honestly, don't you intend to get married someday?
Honestly?
Yeah.
No. Don't worry, you won't understand. It's not about being in love with Fred or anything. I actually feel guilty over her death. You know she died in this house. Yeah, and I was the one who invited her to stay, you know. So why be alive and enjoy and marry when she's out there, cold, lonely, in the grave? What about you? You've not said anything about yourself, you know.
Well, I live with my auntie in the outskirts of this town, you know, somewhere very far away.
You mean you come all the way from there to the club every Fridays?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Why?
Let's just say I'm just looking for something to distract me.
Distraction?
Maybe I should just use the word adventure. I'm looking for an adventure. Yeah, that's why I accepted to come here in the first place. The money didn't count. Actually, I have little respect for money.
Go on, tell me more. I want to know everything.
No.
Whatever. Tomorrow I'll just go drop you off. You go your way, I go my way. Everyone is happy. It was nice doing business with you.
No problem. At least I'll be free from this film and fake kisses we put up in front of your mother.
You see, that's it. That's just it. You will never change. God, you complain too much.
You too. You can never change. You always complain that I complain too much. Take this feet off my box.
You're just impossible.
Whatever.
Damn. How did your mom even cope with you in the first place? Please, can you just hurry up with that thing so I can just stay on my space?
God.
You think I don't know the faces you're making? I'm seeing you, you know.
Tomorrow I leave.
Fine. Bye.
The bags. Where are the...
Uh-huh. Careful, careful, careful with it. Careful. Ahead. The other one that way.
Wait. My mom is downstairs, okay? So we have to hold hands.
Thank God all of this will end today.
Thank God it's ending today. Leave it.
Sure.
You know what? Let's just be nice. Put on a smile. A smile.
Sure. Let's step out.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. I have to act fair.
are they?
Oh, okay. There you are. We're actually looking for you inside.
I was making sure they packed the bags.
Oh, mommy, isn't that caring?
Not to mention, she's my daughter, you know. I know you're going to miss her.
Oh, yes, I will miss her.
He really loves you.
Me too. I love him too.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, mommy, you can't go. We need to be alone, remember?
Oh, really? Yes. Well, I understand. Okay. All right. Well, okay, darling.
Take good care of you, Mom.
All right, then. You to have a safe flight, sweetheart. Bye, darling. Call me as soon as you get in.
I will, Mom. Bye.
Bye, darling.
All right, mommy. Bye-bye.
Let the driver take you.
Don't worry, mommy.
Oh. Well, drive carefully now. What method of preparing food is this? I mean, you've been in this house for the past 3 weeks when Philippa was here. Is this how she prepared food? She left just barely 4 days now, and all you do is fix food enough to run one's stomach.
I'm sorry, Mama.
The next time you prepare a meal like this, or fried rice like this rather, you'll have to eat the whole pot all by yourself. Do you understand me?
Yes, Mom.
Now take this out of my face. I can't even eat it.
Mommy, if that girl can't cook, sack her. Damn, we're not running a charity organization here.
Come, Ugo, come. You've been a bit withdrawn. What's wrong?
I'm fine.
Have you had something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
It's Philippa, isn't it? You're missing her a lot, huh?
I guess.
Well, it's only natural that you miss your loved one, especially when you're not together.
I miss her. I really do. It's just that I can't believe Never mind. I'll be in my room.
Aren't you going to have something to eat?
I'm hungry, Mom.
Maureen! Maureen! I can't eat your food. My son also cannot eat your food. Please take this thing away and come and clear the table.
Philippa. I can't believe this. Philippa. I miss you so much. I truly miss you. God, I cannot believe this. Philippa. miss you. I miss you so much. Unbelievable. Damn.
Is the fruit ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please serve it. Thank you. You may leave now. Thank you. You know, Philippa used to sit right there beside you each time we had dinner.
Mom, please, just stop. You don't need to remind me. I miss her enough already.
This is what I'm talking about. You should call her and get to talk to her more often. It makes it better. I mean, she's the kind of girl that, you know, you'll miss. What is wrong?
Nothing. I just lost my appetite. Missed you too. Come back. Come back to the house, please.
Come back?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Oh God. I thought I would never see you again.
I thought I had lost you.
I'm so glad that you came back to me.
Oh my. Philippa. Oh, Philippa, I will never let you go. I promise.
Sure?
Yes. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. I have to go in now. It's been a crazy night for me.
It wasn't a crazy night. I knew what I was doing. See, I came to see you because I really wanted to.
Okay. You've seen me, you've touched me, you've kissed me, you've held me in your arms. So can I go now?
Even if I did that every day, it still wouldn't be enough. Philippa, I'm going to surprise you with what I'm going to say now.
Nothing surprises me anymore, Ugo, so say it.
When I knew I was going to marry Freda, my heart beat very, very fast. My heart is doing the same now.
But I thought I didn't have time for women.
I thought so. Till you left and I missed you terribly.
See, I have to go in now. At least I have to let my auntie know that I'm around, or else she'll probably think they killed me in the night. Okay?
Philippa.
Yeah?
Marry me.
No! Okay, I want you to be my boyfriend. I mean, so let's see how it goes from there. So, will you be my boyfriend?
Get out of here. I'll see you soon, okay?
Okay, take care.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Yes! Yes!
is a long one. Yet I must tell it.
Tell me everything.
My father and my mother are retired civil servants who live in the eastern part of the country. Enugu to be precise. My father put in 35 years of his time in the civil service and retired without achieving much. So, being the only daughter, my parents wanted me to marry a rich and arrogant man. Do you know who that man is?
No? Who is he?
Johnson Duke, a multi-millionaire, a brother to one of the governors in the East.
Johnson Duke. Who doesn't know him in this country?
Johnson Duke came into my father's house with all his pride and arrogance to ask me to marry him. I disliked him instantly.
My name is Johnson Duke. I am handling the country. I just came in from the Bahamas.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Well, I love your daughter, Philippa. And I've come to ask her hand in marriage. Of course, I know Philippa will be extremely lucky to have a guy like me as her husband. You don't worry. I am going to spoil her silly. Show her around the world. Take her on romantic trips. I actually brought her a present from the Bahamas. Is she in? Can I see her?
Yeah.
Sweetheart, please call her.
Philippa! Philippa! Philippa, dear! Mama! Please come.
Good afternoon, Johnson.
Good afternoon, my charming angel. I'm sure you didn't believe me when I told you I was going to come and see your parents today.
You called me Mama.
Yes.
Yes, Philippa. Do you know him?
Yes, I do.
I am really happy to hear that both of you have started talking. And that makes me believe that you know why he is here.
No, Papa. Why is he here?
Oh, come on, my angel. To marry you, of course. And make you the luckiest angel on earth.
Excuse me, Papa. I have to go in and rest.
Philippa!
Madam, don't worry. She'll come around. That's a lovely girl you have here.
I know.
And I'm going to change her life. And that of the entire family.
Oh, yeah? That's good to hear.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You couldn't believe what I did to him.
What did you do?
I walked out on him. I didn't say a word to that proud fool. I went straight to my room and shut the door.
And what did he do?
He left. He came back again. He kept coming over and over again for 2 months. But my response was the same. How can I marry such a man? How can I marry a man because of his money?
And your parents?
Oh, he lavished money and gifts on them. He was my father's pension and retirement benefits. Soon the battle line was drawn between my parents and I.
Mr. Kabwe, times are indeed very hard, especially for retired pensioners like you. Well, this is a check for 300,000 naira. I want you to, just manage it and clean up a little bit.
Thank you.
Thank you, my good son-in-law.
You're welcome.
I really dreamt of it. You see, with this kind of gesture, I know that good days are here for me and my family once again. Thank you very much and God bless you.
You're welcome. And you, madam, I have not forgotten you. You know, mothers like you need to take a break once in a while. Like my mom, she's on vacation in America right now.
Really? Ah, that's good.
Even though times are hard, you need to continue testing oil. This is another 300,000 naira. Use it and start a little trading.
For me? Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And may God bless you.
Amen.
May God bless you.
Amen.
May God bless you.
God will replenish your pocket.
Johnson is God sent for you. God sent for the entire family. He is your husband. Whether you like him or not, you must marry him.
I will not. I will not marry him, Papa. I don't even love him. How can I marry a man who doesn't have respect for me, for you, or not for Mama? All he thinks about is his money.
Is it not his money? What is wrong with him thinking about his money? My dear, let me tell you something. Money is good. Oh, so you do not want me to follow you when you travel abroad to have your baby, eh? And listen, my dear, let me tell you something. This man is comfortable. He's rich. And come to think of him, very handsome. Come on, Philippa. He's been coming here for over 1 month, professing love for 1 month.
Mama, go and marry him yourself now. Help me out.
Look, listen, I have 2 options for you. Marry Johnson or leave this house.
Are you asking me to leave my own father's house? I mean it. Marry him or leave this house.
Papa, how can you ask me to leave this house?
Yes, of course. Leave this house. Bring comfort to your father and mother. Or go away from here. Go!
Papa, how can you ask me to leave this house? What for, Papa? What for? Why are you asking me to leave this house? Mama, why are you asking me? Why is What? Why should I leave my house? For what? I left the house without telling them where I was going. I came to Lagos to stay in this house with my Auntie Rose, my mother's elder sister who is a widow. So you see, we both have similar problems. We're somehow running from a forced marriage. Your mother wants you to marry any girl. My parents want me to marry for money. So I guess we're people on the run.
And now we found each other, haven't we?
Yeah, sure. People on the run always find each other.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, let's go inside.
Hi guys.
Hey, what's up?
Jimoski.
Yeah, bro, I told you because I got the joke car.
Jimoski, I'm about crucifying someone here. I'll crucify him.
Who?
I'll crucify you, go. Play the game. Play the game, bro.
Hey, thanks, man.
Play the game. Yeah. I've been in this game for 27 years.
So you never told me your father paid his house rent through this game.
I'm not a little boy. I'm not a little boy. I'm not a little boy. You don't try me, boy. Check. I am a champ. I am a champ.
Don't
I'm a champ. I am your champ. Clap for me, boy.
Alright. I admit it.
When it comes to this game, you're better. Jim, thanks for the drink. Gotta be on my way, man.
Thank you. But why so soon?
Guy, see that it's my turn to trash you.
Don't worry, you and I will deal with ourselves next time, okay? But really, like, I have this, I have a date with Philippa in the next 30 minutes.
Wait, Ugo. Don't tell me you're taking this thing you have with that club girl serious.
Sure, man. As a matter of fact, I'm beginning to get so fond of her. You know?
I mean, how can you be fond of a girl who has virtually slept with every guy in the neighborhood? Come on, Ugo. We're all friends, and we want the best for each other. That girl does not want the sole of your shoes. She's not your type, man. She sleeps with every guy in the neighborhood.
No, that's enough. That's a lie. It's a lie.
Stan can testify to it.
Ask him.
Stan?
Look. You guys have to count me out when the issue is concerning love. But, Ugo, I am sure you're not considering anything serious with that girl. It's obvious we have slept with her.
Hey, Stan. Do you have any proof?
I am the proof.
Stan, are you gonna swear? Are you gonna swear that you've as much as touched that girl before? Are you going to swear it?
Guy, I swear, not only have I touched her, I mean, I've been there. Big time.
Oh. Guys, I'll see you later.
Ugo.
I'll see you
Ugo.
later.
Ugo, you must have to believe me.
I have to go.
I don't like the way you talk at times. Jim, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Man, stop this.
That girl is a prostitute and you know it. We have to tell him the truth. He's our friend.
She club never makes her a prostitute.
Have you ever been to that club any day without seeing that girl?
Oh, come on, don't touch her like that.
Fine.
Jim.
She smokes, she drinks.
Why are you taking this serious? Do you want to marry her too?
I find so much love in him, Auntie. He's so kind, so gentle, and so caring. Ever since he came back to me, I've done nothing more but to love him more and more.
But you said his mother doesn't know you are seeing each other. It will be good if she knows, since he listens to her a lot.
I know, Auntie. He doesn't want to tell her yet until he's sure I want to marry him. You know, and after which he's going to sit her down, explain everything to her, and announce our wedding date, and before anything else.
What about your parents? I mean, my younger sister and their husband. Won't you tell them?
Auntie, I ran away from home to come here to hide. I'm not going back there until I'm already married. Unless I'll have to dance to their tune. Auntie, he's here. I have to go now, yes.
Are you going to stay out late?
I don't know, Auntie. I don't know, but I suspect he's going to propose to me. And if he does, I shall agree. Yes, Auntie.
I wish you good luck.
Oh, I love you, Auntie. Please pray for me.
Don't worry.
All right.
Young love.
Oh, God. Hi, Ugo. Hi, welcome. What took you so long?
Don't touch me.
Oh, God. Has anybody made you angry?
Has anyone made me angry? How could you? How could you have let yourself so loose, even to have slept with my own friends?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Do you know Tony? Does the name Stanley ring a bell?
No. Who are they?
You lie. Jesus Christ. Christ. How could you? How could you have dashed my dreams of getting married into pieces because of your lifestyle of clubbing and sleeping around?
Sleeping around? Excuse me, have you come here to insult me? Yes, I dance, but I've never slept with any man.
Liar! 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 You lie!
Please. Leave now. Just go.
You know what? I'm gone. I'm out of here. This ship has sailed. You're just a mistake. There's only one girl I love in my life, and that's Freda. The rest of you all are a bunch of mistakes.
Go.
Hell with you, man.
Alright, yes. Make sure he takes it over to James because I told him that I wouldn't accept those kind of deals. Yeah, because the consignment is wrong. He's supposed to bring in 17 and he brings in 15. What happens to the 2? I'm going to hold him accountable to that. Yes, I'll do that. Alright, okay, you know what? You get back to me, okay? Everything will be fine. Yeah? Alright. Ask him to come in. Okay.
Jim! Boy, don't you look good today?
You look good too.
Thank you. Come on, what's with me? What are you doing in my office at this time of the day? Hmm? Should be at work, man.
You must be glad I'm here.
Really? Yeah. Oh, please, sit down. So what can I offer you? Tea, coffee?
Don't worry. Something good came up.
Alright. I'm all ears.
Tony and Stan lied against Philippa.
Excuse me?
You heard me. I said Tony and Stan lied against Philippa. Apparently both of them had made vows to her. But she never accepted any of them. So Tony went ahead lying to Stan he had been there. Stan too lied to Tony he had been there. Both of them never knew they were lying to each other. When you left yesterday, we had a thorough argument. We argued for close to 2 hours. Eventually Stan opened up. He told me he never had anything to do with Philippa. And then Tony. I was shocked. So shocked. I tried to reach you, but none of your lines could go through.
Jim, are you sure of what you're saying?
I am sure.
Jim! Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, I am.
Damn. Oh man. Where do I start from? Where the heck do I start from?
I hope nothing has gone wrong.
Everything is wrong! A whole lot is wrong! Where do I start to tell Philippa I am sorry? From what point do I apologize to her? Oh man, whoa. Whatever did I do to Stan and Tony?
This is ridiculous.
You're not going scot-free. Oh, damn. Shit.
Yes, come in. Ugo, you are welcome.
Thank you, Auntie. Yes, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Please, is Philippa at home? I'd like to see her.
No, she's not in.
Okay, I'll wait for her then.
It's not a matter of waiting. Philippa is not going to come back here. She left in tears this morning to her parents' house.
Auntie, can I have the address so I could go look for her there?
She went to Enugu.
Okay, Auntie, can I still have the address? I'll go look for her in Enugu.
Why don't you phone her and discuss with her first?
I have tried. I keep calling the line, but it's saying switched off. Auntie, I don't know. I'm just confused. Auntie, please, can I have the address?
Okay. Excuse me.
Thank you. I love Philippa very much. I know I have wronged her, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry for it.
When you love a woman, she wants you to protect and trust her, and nothing else. Don't listen to what people say.
By the grace of God, I'll see her.
And I'll tell her how much I love and trust her. I just pray she'll accept me.
This is the parents' address.
Okay.
If you can find it.
Auntie, thank you very much.
Okay.
I'm very grateful.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Why are you so sad?
Mommy, it's Philippa.
Philippa? I have told you to invite her back to the country. Listen, money is no problem. She can come and spend the weekend and then go back. Or better still, you can go and visit her.
It's not the way it seems, Mom.
All right, call her. Or better still, give me her number. I'll call her and talk to her. If you think that if you tell her how you feel that it will get to her head, then I'll talk to her.
Mommy, Philippa lives in Nigeria. Philippa does not live in England.
Not in England? I don't get you.
It's a long story, Mom. Remember when you told me you wanted me to introduce a girl to you on your birthday?
Yeah?
Well, I met Philippa in a nightclub. I told her about what you said. I convinced her and paid her to act as my fiancée, which she did. So you see, Mom, she does not live in England. It was a lie.
Ugonna, you did what?
I'm sorry, Mom, I lied to you. But you put me under so much pressure when I wasn't ready to marry.
But, Philippa, I came to like her. She's a good girl. Everything couldn't have been a lie.
No, Mommy. It was a lie at the beginning. But then I found out I truly love her. It was a game. But then I found out I fell in love with her. Mom, I'm sorry, but I've been seeing her since then. She told me lots of things about her. She told me about her family background, why she left home for Lagos. She left because of a forced marriage proposal and she couldn't stay anymore. Things were moving on smoothly, Mom. Till my friend said some things against her. And I believed them. I accused her falsely, Mom. She couldn't take it anymore and she left. She went back to Enugu to stay with her parents.
You'll have to go back to Enugu to get her. I mean, I love her. My heart, my soul, my spirit tells me that she's the girl for you.
Mommy, but she's gone.
I mean, you just told me that she ran away from a forced marriage.
Yes, Johnson Duke. The man she was to get married to. She refused.
Johnson Duke? The one in the news? The governor's brother?
Same one.
Well, you see, that is why you have to get her back. Listen, she's not a gold digger. If she wanted money, she would have married Johnson. But she did not. You see, fate brought you two together. You have to go and get her back. She's the girl for you.
What about the lie, Mom? Am I forgiven?
Oh, come off it. Listen, go and bring back my daughter-in-law. And maybe sometime in the future, we'll laugh about those your little lies.
Ernest, I hope you've not forgotten the place, number 35.
Yeah, I'll do so.
Alright. Wait, that's over there. Stop. Yeah, that's the place.
Mama,
what is it?
There's a young man coming to look for me. I don't see him. It's that man I told you about. I met in Lagos. Please come, please.
Come in.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. May I help you?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Ugo, and I'm here to see Philippa.
Oh, I'm afraid Philippa is not home at the moment.
But I thought I saw her come in while I was on my way here.
She's not home.
Alright, ma'am. Please, when she comes back, could you tell her that I'm lodging at the Royal Palace Hotel? She could check me there anytime.
Hotel?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I don't live in Enugu. I came all the way from Lagos to see her. That was where we met, actually.
Well, I think you might have to come back another time. She's not home now.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do just that.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I must say, ma'am, I now see where your daughter got her good looks from.
Well, she's my daughter.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
You too.
Bye.
Philippa? Philippa? Phil?
Our daughter has told us everything about you. Good family, good upbringing, focused and cool-headed. But she does not want to see you. So she has gone out.
Daddy, Mommy, I'd like to thank you for receiving me into your house. I appreciate it very much. The truth is, I love your daughter very much. It is my wish to marry your daughter and to have her as my wife, if she will accept me. She knows everything about me. She knows all I've been through in the recent past. She knows my love story. She's the second and last girl I will ever love. My scattered life, which I've started to bring together since I met her, will lose meaning if she rejects me. I'm sorry, but my heart tells me she's in this house. Mommy, please go and tell her that this young man is begging. He's begging and asking for forgiveness. I'm truly sorry. I will sit down here and wait till she comes. I will not go anywhere. I will sit here till she comes.
My son, we don't interfere in Philippa's affairs anymore. I did it once and insisted she should marry somebody of my choice. But she rebelled and ran away from this house for a period of 1 year. Her mother nearly died because of that. Until her sister confidently told us that Philippa is living with her in Lagos. So,
you see, she came back a few days ago. Very sober and sorrowful. Well, at least I was happy she was home. She told us about you and all that has transpired between both of you. You broke her heart. You did not trust her. You did not even believe in her. Well, I guess you've shown enough love by coming all this distance to see her. But like her father told you, we do not interfere in her business anymore. I'm sorry.
I will wait, Mommy. I will wait till she comes. She will come. She will come.
Tired of everything. Why is Philippa treating me like this? Why? Why is she so hard-hearted? Yes, I wronged her, but I'm sorry. Why? Ernest, take me down to the bridge. Just take me down to the bridge. When you get to the bridge, stop. I'll just go to the river and just jump over the bridge. That will make her happy. Yes, you'll be happy when I die. You will be happy. Yes. And let us say, move now, move! Move, goddammit, move! Ernest! Ernest! Ernest, what's this? I said drive to the bridge! Ernest! Philippa! 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 Ernest? Philippa, what happened?
I had to beg him to give me his uniform to change into, although he turned his back while I changed. Were you serious about drowning yourself in the river because of me?
Without love, there is no reason to live. Baby, yeah. Marry me. Marry me, please, marry me.
Yes. Come here. Come.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Yes, come on, take us over here. Take your hat.
Speak to the ocean floods. I see the love. I see everything in much more. Everything in much more. I promise you, I'll do you the way you do. Make me cherish you, so complete. No. Oh, now I'm forever more. Come away, I love you. Sweet to the ocean floor. In your eyes I see the love I seek. Everything and much more. Shake on, I promise you, baby, I'll die the way you want. Oh, you made me, oh my cherry, you made me so complete. Always love you, never leave you. Now I'm forever.